So what's going on guys, and welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. Today we are taking a look over RoyalPay. Now this is not just another staking and auto compounding protocol. It is a little bit different because of one feature which we are going to talk about in a minute. So this is RoyalPay, the king of all staking protocols. Now it has been KYC'd by Certik, and the feature that I am talking about is the anti-dump shield. So the anti-dump shield is to protect chart growth. Investors can sell between 1 and 5% per day. This is manually adjusted depending on the price movement. So what this basically means is that you are only allowed to sell 1% of your investment each day. So suppose if you have deposited $500 into this contract, then you can only take out $5 per day. So what this does, this allows the chart to grow healthy at a steady rate. So no whale can dump their entire tokens in one go, which makes the chart snowdive really fast, and it creates panics and FUD in the community. So this feature eliminates that. So RoyalPay is an auto staking and auto compounding decentralized protocol. So now taking a look over their chart, as you can see it is growing steadily and there are no massive dumps. There are few lines which are going downwards, but it is healthy because people are taking their profits. Overall, the chart is growing upwards at a steady rate. So I think they started their pre-sale and their public launch was on 31st. So we are still early into this contract. Okay, so taking a look, RoyalPay is an auto staking and auto compounding decentralized protocol providing investors with an annual yield of 480,810%. The contract uses an anti-dump shield to protect your investment and sustainability of the protocol. So these are the features that they are offering right now. They have manual burns conducted to ensure price stability, and thick liquidity pool grows with every transaction. Okay, so coming over to their tokenomics, their token name is RoyalPay, and this is the address which you can add to your MetaMask wallet. So the buy tax is 12% and the sale tax is 14%. Now these taxes are way lower than other contracts. If you take a look over LogPay or SafeJet, these taxes are really low as compared to them, so which is good. So as I said, they have been KYC'd by Certik and they have submitted their applications to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. It is not live yet, but it will be live in couple of days. So this is the roadmap. The phase 1 is done, that was pre-launch, and we are in phase 2. They have submitted their applications to CoinGecko and MarketCap, and these are the various features that they are aiming for. You can take a look over these yourselves. So they have Telegram and Discord group as well. In the Discord group they have 8,000 strong members. So I think the protocol is really good. The 1% feature is very well done, although it's a copy of LogPay, but it seems they have implemented it in a much better way. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.